Hello everybody, welcome to Drew in the Moment. Good morning. We are here in Animal Kingdom for a very cool thing that I have never done and I've wanted to do for some time now. We're going to go on the Caring for Elephants tour. It is a 1-hour tour. It costs $35 and you get to get up pretty darn close to some awesome elephants. Between 80 to 100 feet is what it had said. We're going to get basically the day-to-day care for these elephants and a bunch of other information. But the biggest thing is we get to get really close to the elephants, which I think is going to be so much fun. So we will be filming what we can. Some of the stuff we can't because it is backstage. But we're going to film as much stuff as we can so we can show you guys this awesome tour. And maybe you guys can check it out for yourselves. Without further ado, let's get going and check out some awesome elephants. So right now, guys, we're heading over to the check-in area. It's at 10 o'clock. We got here a little bit early because we wanted to make sure we were on time. And it's the check-in is right over near the 𝐤𝐿𝐴 Safari. So guys, here it is, the Curiosity Animal Tours. Like I had told you, right next to 𝐤𝐿𝐴 Safari. So we're gonna have to check in right now. So here, guys, you have your badges. Our names are right there. Look at that. Boom. We're gonna be really official. So guys, we got our Wayne's World. Every time I get this, if you've ever seen the movie Wayne's World, it's like, look, VIP, VIP. We got our VIP Caring for Elephants. Kit is gonna be our tour guide. She was super nice. She explained everything that we need to do. Like I said, there's backstage stuff we cannot film. So right when we take off at 10 o'clock, we're gonna walk for like 2 minutes and then we're gonna take a bus ride over to the location and she's gonna let us know. And that's when we can, you know, film and show you guys stuff. But so I'm actually excited that we get the bus over.
I can't wait, I know. And after that we can record and film, so that'd be awesome.
And also, I just want you guys to know, if you plan on doing this, understand these are animals. They do what they want. There's a lot of space. She told us, just so you guys are forewarned, that it's not guaranteed that you see the elephants. We're hoping today, because at least one elephant I'd like to see. Just so.
So let's see what happens, guys.
Wish us luck.
No, more than one elephant. But
at least one elephant. At least one. But I'd love to see 9 because they have 9 African elephants, which I just found out. That's what Kit said. 9 African elephants. So hopefully we can see them all. Or 1 or maybe 2 would be nice. So,
let's wait for our time.
All right, so with the magic of editing, we're going to be in the location right about now. We have made it. We're here. Elephants. I'm going to zoom in so you can see them a little bit better.
Very fancy with how she eats. It's kind of the elephant equivalent of like putting in the elephant.
Gorgeous.
So both of her daughters, or all 3 of her daughters. Up and around the corner, we might get a glimpse of her in a moment here. That is going to be big sister 𝐿𝐴. She is 18. Beautiful. So y'all might have heard of 𝐿𝐴 if you watched The Magic of Disney. Although if you've ever been on safari and have been next to the mandrills, those monkeys are right off the side seeing an elephant. That's way further down. Also, one of the elephants are right up here front and center. Does anyone want any photos of them in the background? I'm more than happy to take one for you.
Yeah. They are so awesome. This way? Look at this beautiful elephant. Oh my word. Just gorgeous. This is crazy. We got so lucky. They're right here. That is awesome. And the tour guide Kit was saying this elephant right here twirls the hay around, which is not typical of elephants. So already the $35 is worth it. We walked right up, like literally this is the first place we've been, and we already have 3 elephants. 3! This is crazy, man. And they're like so close.
Please don't feel like you have to look at me the whole time. You are here to
Oh,
so amazing.
It's awesome, and we're like behind the safari right now.
I didn't realize it was this close. I thought it was a little bit far.
I did too. This is awesome. We have another elephant coming out. I think the elephant knew there's like a big hoopla going on right now. Just a beautiful animal.
Pretty fun to see that. But Stella here, if you look at her ears, she's doing a really great movement right now. She almost little blood vessels. So with our elephants here, they
as you can see the tour in the background there.
blood tests, also getting their
I don't know if you guys can see all the way through there. I'm not sure, but there is a gigantic bull elephant over there, and our tour guide was telling me that it's one that's actually on the Disney Plus show. It's like the behind-the-scenes Animal Kingdom, and I guess that bull elephant is on the show. So now I got to go and check out the show now. And look at Queen looking out on the African, Sierra, I believe is what it's called. Or no, Savannah, sorry, African Savannah elephants. Are you enjoying yourself?
This is amazing.
Isn't this awesome?
And with the enrichment, I see him reaching up there. And Stella, our little one, she's 3,000 pounds. You would think she was walking around like this, right? They're super quiet.
This really is the best way to see the elephants. If you guys want to see the elephants, I'm telling you. There's a lot of these people on the tours back there. Can't see because of all the meshing. Totally worth the money, I'm telling you. Amazing. I'm blown away right now.
Four in their mouth at one time, two
So this is
on
an
the top
elephant
and
tooth.
two on the bottom. But does anyone here know how shark teeth work? I'm gonna pass that back to you, my dear.
That's crazy.
Who here loves baby animals? I love baby animals, right? They are awesome. They are definitely what keep people coming back to zoos. And with any sort of animal birth,
Look, he just put that on top of his head.
that's a pretty funny hat.
She put it on top of her head.
Elephants are definitely very playful as far as their
That is
interactions go
awesome.
with their families. They're actually a lot like humans and how they play with each other. Dexterity with their trunks. They can pick up something as small as a tiny blade of grass. Who here is from summer cold? I'm from Minnesota, so we wear mittens. Wisconsin, so you wear mittens a lot, right? And when you pick things up with mittens, kind of like this.
Super
Can you imagine
majestic.
picking up a little blade of grass with a mitten? It's kind of hard, right? It's kind of hard, but that's kind of like what they can do. Their trunk is actually made up of over 40,000 muscles is the typical number that folks will give you. But there was actually some grad students working with a scientist up in a zoo up north, and with an elephant across it, he actually had a grad student count every individual muscle. There was actually 400. It's incredible. Tons, 100,000. Yeah, tons of tiny little
She didn't want to
muscles.
eat, or he
There
didn't
is
want to
not
eat
really
over there.
cartilage
He moved it,
besides the,
moved his food.
kind of septum in their nose.
So our tour guide was saying that elephants, when they make that trumpet noise, because we haven't heard them make any noise since we've been here, that trumpet sound is them cleaning basically their nose, which I thought was pretty interesting. I gotta tell you guys, we got very, very lucky because there's no elephants now. We were able to come right up and they were already here, and now they are gone. We got lucky. So as you guys can tell right there, all of the fencing that's put up, we were just told that they have a new spring box. I guess it's obviously an animal that they're introducing to the savannah. So I guess that's to protect them, or maybe to keep them out of this habitat. So that was kind of cool that they're introducing some new animals today on the savannah. We're finding out a whole bunch of information as well. Apparently, this used to be just a field before it was this area for the safari, and they used to test the fireworks out here, which I think that is a pretty cool thing. I never knew that. Man. But all right, we got to head back on the bus now, so I'm gonna have to turn off the camera now because we're gonna go backstage. So, what an awesome
That
experience.
was amazing.
Wasn't that fun? We got so lucky because while we were there, we got to see the elephants, and then they just disappeared.
Yeah, they took off after like 10 minutes.
Like
maybe?
10 minutes or something.
Yeah.
So, like I said, it's kind of a gamble, but that is so worth the money. It is so worth the money. Also, the stuff we could not like film, the backstage stuff, was super cool too. I like going to see like the behind
We
the
took a little
scenes.
bus to the place, and yeah, it was really.
We saw the back of Pandora. Like
We can
just,
tell, we can tell.
we can't tell you any more of that. You'll have to check it out on your tour. But it was super cool, and the probably one of the funniest things. So we got our lanyard, and they took it back because they're trying to, recycle, conserve, and all that. But they, let you keep this. What's funny is she told us to turn it on the back, and this paper right here is handcrafted paper made from 85% elephant poop fibers.
So you take home.
You get to take home some elephant poop, and she said the company that makes these, the name of their company is Poo Poo Paper. But that was just kind of funny. But we feel like we should get a little snack now.
Oh, yeah, I'm starving.
I'm starving, and they do have some delicious grilled corn. So I think we're going to try that because it's right outside of here.
Right here in Africa.
So let's go get ourselves some African grilled corn. What do you say? Let's do it. So we're here at Harambe Fruit Market, but we're not getting fruit. We are going to get some corn. Oh yeah. So there it is, guys. The grilled corn with or without African spices for $5.29. I'm going to go African spice.
Hey, look, they sell pickles.
They sell pickles?
We know here in the channel they really love.
Oh, I love pickles. Next time. We got to stick with the corn right now, right?
Okay.
We got to focus. We got to stay focused. So we got our corn. It's got the African spice, and it looks like they put butter on it as well, I think.
Yeah,
So let's see, because I don't think we've ever had this corn before. We've never had it.
One.
We had the regular one, but not with the I want to call it Mexican spice. Because we were literally just talking about street corn. We were just talking about Mexican street corn. The African spice. There we go. All right,
African
cheers.
spice.
Let's try it out. Oh, my
God, it's
goodness.
delicious.
That is fantastic. Seriously. Mmm.
And this was $5?
It was like $5. It's got like it's got a kick to it, but not like
Not
a
bad.
not a bad one. But it is messy, just so you guys know.
Yeah.
It is messy. Now let me see. Let me get
You
you
guys want to
some.
take a bite?
Highly recommend this corn after taking one bite. After taking one bite of this corn, I'm into it, man.
So,
Mmm.
what a good day.
What a fantastic day. What a fantastic day today has been. We got to see elephants. We got some corn. But I highly recommend, seriously though, I highly recommend checking.
Sorry.
The corn is messy.
Alright, we're good.
Just a disclaimer. The corn is messy. Sorry. No, but seriously, the elephant thing, totally worth the money.
Must do, guys.
It's a must do, and I hope you get to see the amount of elephants that we got to see. We got very fortunate, because I'm sure some people might not get to see any elephants, because that's the gamble you take. But yes, but we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was informative. We hope you had fun. We hope you love elephants, because they are my favorite animal of all time. I love elephants so much. But thank you guys for watching. We hope you consider subscribing to the channel to hang out with us for more content like this and a bunch of other cool stuff. But guys, thanks for watching. Until we see you next time, remember, the only one way to live is in the moment with elephants and corn. Whoa.